Let's dig in.
Si Ma'am Lorena!
Rice bowl!
Ma'am, rice bowl! Ma'am, rice bowl! Ato Mang Pril!
Tara ma'am, butubot ma'am. Nakaduto ko ma'am.
Nagputubutan nila.
Slogan for the Senior Palaro 2025. What's up guys? Nani kabibo ang palaro karon sa Team U. Nani kabibo ang palaro karon guys.
Good evening guys, so nato diri grandstand as you can see daghang tao and unta nalipay po sila sa nang lanto kaya ako murag nalipay pa.
It's Palaro Day 2.
I-vlog na ko ha.
Ma'am, say hi to our students here at Senior Palaro with Bini Mika. Oh. With uban niya. Mangita to. Ma'am, mag-interview may karon, namang buhat karon is mag-interview may tao. Hi ma'am, nabot may karon sa court. Wow! Hi ma'am, karon nag-booking ma'am, din nakakita may kanang mga animic ma'am ba?
Ma'am, na mga anime ma'am.
Na mga animic. Try. Si Anya.
Dito si
Princess Bubblegum.
Tara ma'am. Ma'am, kita may mga animic.
Ay mga anime ma'am.
Hi guys, mag-hi sa mga vlog para sa mag-PE.
Ay mga anime ma'am.
Mga animic.
Princess Bubblegum.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, it's day 3 of Palaro 2025.
The days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back when
naitabo sa akong adlaw. Tara, kana. Kana pre.
Hi! It's day 3 of 2025. Let's go! Brah!
Hey guys, today we are watching Jovan Beach. It's day 4. It's day 4 of Ballarat 2025. Makita naman si beach, guys.
Hi guys, Palaro day 4. Day 4 na, day 4. Mga hansa guys.
Hello. Day 4.
Guys, the last day of Ballarat 2025.
So now we are heading to the University Convention Center. Kay, watch me.
For we are going to watch the Ginoo at Binibining Ballarat 2025.
With your advocacy for autism awareness, how will you create a more inclusive and understanding environment within CNU?
Good evening, everyone. I will use this platform to advocate the importance of unity in diversity, to ensure that everyone is heard, seen, and valued. As a sister to a brother with autism, I've witnessed how society can sometimes overlook individuals who belong into this spectrum. That is why I wanted to create a safe space for them to feel accepted, understood, and heard. Because I believe that inclusivity starts with awareness, and awareness leads to acceptance. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Last day na.
Lunch and dinner buffet at Walik Cafe.
Let's go!